There is a saying that performance improves when performance is measured, and nowhere is that truer than when it comes to fitness.
As we gear up for our step challenge next week, I want to show you a couple of devices like the Fitbit MyZone that help measure your fitness performance. One of the most popular tracking devices is the Fitbit you wear on your wrist. With mine, the information shows up on my cell phone app. It shows how many steps I've taken today, how long I slept last night, the number of calories I burned. You can even enter the foods that you've eaten, and it will figure how many calories each meal is worth.
Okay. Any wearable that gets you moving, I don't care if you got it out of a box of Cheerios for free. If it gets you moving, you're headed the right direction.
Yeah. Apple Athletic Club personal training director Robbie Denning says there's value in measuring performance.
People don't work out as much or as hard as they think they do. And so by measuring it, we're able to make reality-based decisions and choices about their exercise program.
Some tracking devices do more than count steps. So Robbie, I've got my MyZone now that I've used for a couple of weeks. I strap it around my chest under my shirt.
Yep.
So explain just how it works under there.
Okay, so it's like an EKG. What it's doing is reading the electrical signals off the heart right at the skin.
Yeah.
And it's going to convert that signal into an intensity level that will be displayed either on a watch or on your smartphone, or if you're in the club on the big screens.
I can see what percentage of my maximum heart rate I'm exercising at. Anything in blue above 60% is a good start, but I should try for green above 70%, or better yet, red above 80% for short bursts. MyZone will chart your workout.
Got off your bike here, walked in the club, got up here, got on the rowing machine.
Denning says if you can measure your workout intensity, you can save time.
The biggest deterrent to exercise we hear from people is time. I don't have enough time.
Yeah.
So using an exercise tracker, we can get results for people as little as 30 minutes 3 times a week if their intensity's right. And that will tell us whether their intensity's right.
That's fascinating.
Yeah, so I just kind of wanted to show you, just imagine this up against my skin instead of, well, actually don't imagine that, but just imagine that is how it should be worn.
It should be under the shirt, in other words,
And then it really is cool to be able to walk along, look at your phone app, or ride your bike and see, I'm not go as intense as I need to be. I need to step it up a little bit for maximum
So it's measuring your heart.
Yeah.
Let's wear it on the news one night and see if our heart rate goes up when the news starts.
Maybe so.
Curious,
Actually, it's kind of funny when Robbie was wearing it. His heart rate is normally just like an athlete, but he was just a little bit nervous, being interviewed, and so we could see on his that it was up at about 90 instead of his normal 60.
Just saying, I don't need to exercise because I do this. I sit here several times a day. That should be getting my intensity
your heart rate up. That's right. Yeah.
We're going to talk about walking shoes tomorrow. Some of the tips to getting a really good walking shoe. That's important too.
Yeah. Well, the Legion District tournaments took place this afternoon. Julia Cox will bring us some of the action next on Sportsline.
Local people, local news. You're watching